Hi guys, guess what finally came in? This would be the Addict Pride Beauty Mystery Box. Let's see what we got since we finally got it. Let's see what our thoughts are, and y'all know what to do. Just stay tuned. Okay, my loves, first and foremost, welcome to all the new subscribers. This is Sunny's place. I'm Sunny. Sometimes we have little Noah on here. Right now, he is not feeling well at all. Y'all, this is not pre-recorded. I did have a bunch of pre-recorded things for you, and they got trashed. Went to edit them and couldn't upload images. So I actually went back to my photos and couldn't play videos. So, there's a lot of missing stuff that I'm not going to be able to show you guys because your girl's memory is cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. And I don't remember everything that was in what I unboxed or what I showed off. So unfortunately, those things are just gone. So if y'all see a look around, something new, just let me know and we'll do a review on them or I'll show them to you guys. Anyways, welcome to all the new subscribers. For my regulars that are always on here, y'all, I adore you all so much and thank you so very much. Little update on Noah. He had a really bad headache the night before last, and it was about 4 a.m. in the morning. And then last night, he actually got a really good restful sleep. So, fingers crossed, we got a mild case of this, and he will be all right. All right, my loves, let's get in to Glow Addict. Your girl's not happy. So this mystery box was $20. It is their Pride mystery box. I ordered it June 18th. I finally received it July 6th. Pride month came and gone. I actually received an email from them on the 3rd of July asking me to review the box. And I sent them an email back saying, I would love to do that for you, but I haven't gotten my box yet. They got back with me this morning at 12:32 a.m. saying, here's your tracking number, and it showed box delivered. So 3 days after I told them I didn't have my box to review yet. So you guys, $20, and it's supposed to have 5 items in it, and it's supposed to be for Pride Month. I expected a big heart with a rainbow on it. Didn't get that. We got this again, which is beautiful. I do think their box is beautiful. Okay, you guys, we have a heart sticker on the inside of it. Okay. Let's see what we got. 5 items, 20 bucks. It is for Pride Month, unfortunately, super late. Now, Glow Addict does like drugstore stuff. Some occasionally they'll have high ticket priced items. But for the majority of it, it is drugstore stuff. But I have enjoyed everything that I've gotten from them, except for the mask that I've got. My skin had a reaction to it, and I did not film that at all. I don't normally film brand new things, especially when it comes to my skin, because my skin is quite sensitive when it comes to certain things like vitamin C and stuff like that. I'm like, in reverse, most people can wear vitamin C during the day. Your girl cannot. She's got to put it on at nighttime. So, let's get into it. First thing I picked up is this Okalon Spectrum palette. I do love that packaging. That is pretty. What is this? 10 color shadow palette. Nice. Oh, very bright colors. All right, that goes with Pride Month. That is gorgeous. Greens and orange and a yellow, and then some base colors, your tans. That is pretty. Unfortunately, it has one of those cupped on color savers. And we'll have to work with that to get it undone. Now, Okalon products are drugstore products. They're very affordable, usually under $20. What else we got here? Beauty Eyelashes. Those are pretty. Those are actually quite pretty. Vegan and cruelty-free, no glue chemicals, reusable up to 40 times, and recyclable. Huh. Are they magnetic then? Here they are. They're quite long for my taste, but they'd be a great glam eyelash. Is there eyelash glue? Yeah. Okay, here's Eye Beauty. It's magnetic, you guys. It's a magnetic eyelash. So I will not put these on for you. Here is the magnetic. You don't call it glue, it's magnetic. Here it is. I'm not going to open it up because I will put these in a future giveaway for you guys, because I actually have a lot of magnetic lashes actually in this very similar style. So we will put that in y'all's giveaway box. Speaking of giveaways, the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. You guys, we made it. We are monetized. I am still waiting on my community tab. I am so over the moon excited about it, you guys. So happy about it. As soon as I get my community tab up, y'all know to be looking, because I'm going to repost channels and upcoming things we got going on. You guys, we did it. We did it. I'm so excited about it. Okay, so I have got to organize first, second, and there's going to be 3 winners. And I've got to organize into the bags, which is going to be what. So there'll be 3 winners. They'll all get different things. Everybody will receive a Coach Sephora palette. Now, whether you get Rexy or Sharky or the Uniface palette, who knows, because there's going to be 3 winners. I will do a video showing everything that's going to be in the giveaway. But as far as what you will receive in your bag, you don't know. That's your girl. We love a good mystery. But I will do a video showing everything that's going to be in it. Tara Reed, a nerdy grandma, said that she was going to send some additional things to put in there. I haven't received those yet. I'm going to give it about another week and see if they come. Also, Debbie's Goth, Debbie, she does not have a YouTube channel, but she's going to send some things to also put in it, and I need to wait at least a week to get those. So, in a week, y'all's video will be up for the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Y'all, I'm over the moon excited. Now, these are going in a giveaway for you guys. Not the 1,000 subscriber giveaway, totally different one. That's nice. A palette and magnetic lashes so far. Ooh, I see a lip liner. Lip Perfection by Bebele Cosmetics. That is actually beautiful. And it is very well wrapped. It has the cellophane around it. Let's see if we can get it off here real quick. And we'll do a little swatch for you guys. Maybe even put it on. We'll see. Oh, that was easy. Cool. So here it is. Look how pretty. Let's do a little swatch. We'll do it that way, yeah. Ooh, that glided on quite easy. It's a very, very light pink. I am actually going to fill it in quite heavy so that you guys can see it better. There she is. Here it is again from Bebele Cosmetics. That's actually very pretty. I really like that. Lip Perfection pencil. Very pretty. Nice. All right, my loves, we got one more thing. And it is a brush set by Molly Jacob. All Eyes on Me brush set. What is it? Of course, it is an eyeshadow brush kit. That is nice. Aw, the brushes say, Eyes on Me, make it happen. This is me. Let me turn this one in and see what it says. Good vibes. That is so cute. That is actually really cute. And I am actually involved in a Christmas in July, not giveaway, Christmas in July collab. And we're sending gifts out to several different people. There's several different channels in it. And I'm going to send that to my gift receiver. I think she'll really like this. She don't really wear eyeshadows a lot. But I do know that, yeah, Molly Jacob is a pretty soft, easy, blendable eyeshadow brushes to use. I'm tongue-tied, could ya tell? Yeah, I'm going to send this to my gift receiver. So when she does just wear like a plain tan eyeshadow or whatnot, or she could re-gift it. You know, I send out so much stuff. There's so many things being re-gifted, and that's what I want. I want them to go to people that needs them or would appreciate them more. And I feel that re-gifting things makes your own heart happy, so it is very well appreciated. All right, my loves, that is the end. So we got a beautiful lip liner from Babella. We have the eyeshadow brush set from Molly Jacob. And we got, so this would be counted as what, 2 items here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's sneaky, Glow Addict. You counted this as 2 items. Well, guess what? I couldn't have put these on if I didn't have your magnetic liner. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the eyeshadow palette makes 5. That was sneaky, sneaky. But I actually am happy with this box. I wish it would have came a lot sooner. I do love this Okalon palette. That is actually really pretty. But, you guys, I have all these shades. I do. Let's see if I have any more Okalon palettes. I know I'd gotten one before when I actually had the Glow Addict subscription box. It was only like $13 a month. Yeah, guys, I don't see it. But I know I did have it, and I really liked it. I actually think it was more of a face palette, though. So I'm going to go ahead and put this back in your sleeve. And we'll do a giveaway with it also. So it will go in the giveaway box. So the eyelashes. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm keeping the lip liner pen. That is all. I'm keeping this. All this is giveaway. But as all my regulars know, that's what we do here. I give so much stuff away. I do not like, except for my palette wall. Now, that's a whole thing in the work, which in a previous video, I do show how to make your own palette wall. I do not like being cluttered in and claustrophobic feeling, and I don't like things sticking around so they can expire. So I enjoy passing them on, and I do it in giveaways. I also have a giveaway that I do where I go through the comments. Once a week, I go through my comments and I pick somebody out and I say, hey, send me your address, please. And usually they are, why do you want my address? Yada, yada. And I'm like, well, we're doing the secret giveaway and I've chosen you through the comments to send something to. So you guys, that's the end of the Glow Addict Pride Mystery Box. $20, 5 items, sneaky, sneaky, the magnetic liner and the lashes, counting it as one individual thing. You got to have one for the other, so that should have been one. The shipping on it was very long. I wish I would have gotten it in Pride Month. That would have been awesome. Oh, well, guys. We got it now. That's what we got. All right, my loves. You know the drill. Give your girl a thumbs up or give her a thumbs down. It just lets me know which videos y'all prefer to see more. I'm going to run downstairs and check on little Noah. I hope y'all are having an amazing day. Today is Thursday. This week is already flying by. Goodness, y'all. All right, guys. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, guys.